Hello guys, so today it's another tutorial, and today's vlog guys, I'm gonna show you how to connect the Aputure MC Pro Bluetooth to the application. Again, we have the application SidusLink. Yeah, this is the application you will use for the Aputure lights. So again, we have the Aputure MC Pro. We will connect to the SidusLink. So guys, without further ado, let's start connecting the Aputure MC Pro to a SidusLink application. So, and guys, okay, first we will reset the Bluetooth. Yeah, go with this menu here. You have menu. Okay, inside the menu, just go menu. Okay, again, click the menu 2 times. So now you here settings. You can use this scroll red button. Yeah, until you go highlights from the BT settings. Then press the red button, BT status, and connect the BT or Bluetooth reset. Yeah, this is the Bluetooth reset. Okay, BT BT reset. Then connect the BT reset. Okay, just make okay, and it will reset the BT or the Bluetooth reset. Now it's done. Go back to the menu. Okay, CT. Now you can go to the software or the application SidusLink. Open your SidusLink. Okay, make a new scene. For example, the flash, and here I will make a flash. Okay, to add new scene. Now I have here scene 5. Okay, there's a green button here. Just click the green button and make a new fixtures. Then here you just wait and it will appear the MC Pro. Amaran MC Pro. So for example, this one EDDD with 3 MC Pro. Let's connect and set up. Now it will set up, it will load. For the setup, just wait for a seconds or minute. Then now it's okay. Now you are connected to MC Pro. So this is the MC Pro. The light I can turn off, turn on. I can use the gel colors. See, I can change the color through the application. So yeah, this is how we use the SidusLink application for the Aputure MC Pro. So I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to know more about products, photography, any products from photography, videography, yeah, you can subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I have more tutorial on the next vlog. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this Aputure MC Pro, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So ayan, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.